Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
आओ बेट्टी हो रायचो फामाद कॅफे. फामाद कित्याक काय विचारल्यार पात्रांव पिटर नोरोना धरून 9 दिव्यांग हे कॅफे चलयतात. राय एम्पावरमेंट फाउंडेशन खाला पिटर आणि ताची घरकान जोडीत हे कॅफे गेल्या म्हयन्याभराच्यान चलयतात. फाउंडेशन रोजगारा सयत दर एकल्याची वेवसायीक आणि वैयक्तीक वाड जावपा खातीर आदार करतात.
One of our committee members, Judith, was Norona. Her husband, over the years, his eyesight has deteriorated, and today he has just about 5%. And that's how this whole thing came about, because he is an amazing chef. 3 months we did training of our staff, which is 9 members. We had a chef on board, Sandeep, and Chef Sebastian from Salgaonkars. So they have trained them, they have helped us put the kitchen together, and we've got the best high-end stuff. Safety is no compromise here.
This venture, they are very happy about it because they employment mein hota and training in such a way that they confidence and they are happy about it. And now counselors and we see to the well-being of the staff. Like once a month we talk to them and counsel them, and त्यांचे कितें म्हणजे they are comfortable आणि कितें issues बा आसा जाल्यार we help out.
I'm part of the family here in helping the setup of the kitchen and the logistics of the kitchen. We started in an empty room basically, and we were thinking of how to set up a kitchen for blind people. So much difference is not there, but there are certain things of order and a structure which these people need to understand where exactly their stuff is, and as well the others like us need to understand where they keep their stuff because they have to find it back.
पीटर नोरोनाच्या वैयक्तिक प्रवासांतल्यान ह्या कल्पनेन आकार घेतलो. मनशाची नदर वचूं येता, पूण ताच्या जिवितांतलो उद्देश केन्नाच वचूं पावना. ह्या दिव्यांगाक हॉस्पिटॅलिटी वेवसायिका कडच्यान प्रशिक्षण मेळ्ळें.
हांव सारको टोटली ब्लायंड जायनासलोलें म्हणटा तें कांयच ना. सो हांव हांगासर सगल्या भुरग्यांक इन्स्पिरेशन तांच्या मदीं तांकां मोटिवेट करीत रावता. तेणी जायना म्हणलें जाल्यार हांव आय डोंट एक्सपेक्ट हें करना तेंचे कडेन जायना म्हणून. तें सगलें जाता. सो आमचे कडेन जायना म्हणलेली वस्त कांयच ना. ओन्ली कितें आसता, मनांतल्यान आमकां करपाची इत्सा आसूंक जाय. इत्सा आसल्यार कसलीय आगोड काम करूंक जाता.
जे लोकांक दिश्टी पडना तांचे एक नॅब म्हणून एक इन्स्टिट्यूट आहा, नॅशनल इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ द ब्लायंड, आनी ते जे दिश्टी पडना तांकां ट्रेनींग करतात. ट्रेनींग केले उपरांत कितें जाता कांय ना. ते ट्रेन करतकूच मागीर ते ट्रेन जाल्ले आसात खूब भशेनी, पूण फुडें तांचे फुडार कितें आसतलो म्हणून आमी एक विचार केलो ह्या लोकांक आमी हांगा हाडपाचे आनी तांकां ताजें ट्रेनींग जें आहा ताजे फुडें आनीक ट्रेनींग करून एक रेस्टॉरंट घालपाचें आनी हें फुडें आमी ते रेस्टॉरंट ते भाशेन चलोवपाचें.
But right now we're only working from 9 to 6 and we're working like a cafe with a limited menu. But we want to expand this into, let's say, scale it up to a full-fledged restaurant, have a larger menu, and in that case we envisage that we should have almost 30 people working with us. Hopefully we can get there in about 1 year's time.
गोंयांतले हे अशें पयलेंच कॅफे. पिटर नोरोनाच्या मनात आयिल्लो एक विचार कितल्याशाच दिव्यांगाक आदार आनी अभिमान जोडून दिता. प्रुडंटा खातीर सगुण गावडे.